Welcome to today's episode of Play Opera with Welsh National Opera. Wales is said to be the land of song, so today's episode is all about the amazing country, Wales. Welsh National Opera is from Cardiff, but performs all over Wales. They have a base in Llandudno in North Wales, and Welsh National Opera tour there and Mid and West Wales. We are so proud of our Welsh roots because Welsh National Opera started as an amateur community chorus and has grown to be a large company that tours the world. Today we are going to learn about a Welsh composer, Ivor Novello, and we're going to sing a Welsh song and we're going to hear an instrument that is a national symbol of Wales. Plus, we have a surprise from our Welsh National Opera chorus. Stay tuned to find out more. You probably know about the national symbols of Wales. There's the red dragon on the flag, of course, and then there's the leek and the daffodil. Let's meet harpist Catherine to find out more about another national symbol of Wales, the harp. Hi, Catherine.
Hi, Ruth. Hello, Ruth. Shwmae.
So you are a harp player, and I think that a harp is considered to be super important and influential in Welsh music. Why is that, do you think?
Well, to start with, it's such a gorgeous instrument to look at and to sound as well. But the harp actually never started off like this. It started off like this. Much smaller, much fewer strings, and it would often play little dances. So it went from playing dances and folk tunes to accompany singers, and then it became an instrument in its own right, with lots of Welsh composers writing for it as well. But the brilliant thing about the harp is it can do anything. You can play on your own, you can play in a group, you can, accompany dancers, play in musicals, play in operas, anything. It's great.
Oh wow, the harp sounds awesome. So you are, I think you're from Wales, and I believe you speak Welsh. Do you have any favourite words you'd like to teach our audience?
Well, I thought I'd choose two quite simple words for you today. This is a harp. So in Welsh, this is a delyn. So it's a delyn. And then what I've just played you on my little harp was a dance. So the word for dance in Welsh is dance.
Oh, quite similar.
Yes,
there we go.
Very similar, very similar.
Now, let's listen to Catherine playing her harp. About Welsh composer Ivor Novello. Ivor Novello was born in Cardiff over 100 years ago. His real name was in fact David Ivor Davies.
Oh, Dave. was occurring.
But he took his Italian surname, Novello, from his godmother, who was Italian. Ivor was a prodigy, and during his lifetime, he excelled at many things. He was an actor, a writer, a producer, and, of course, a composer. There's now a theatre named after him in London's West End, and there's a statue of him outside the Millennium Centre in Cardiff in Wales. His place in music history was secured when there was an award named after him for songwriting and composing, namely the Ivor Novello Awards. So far, there have been over 1,000 winners of the award, including stars such as David Bowie, Elton John, Amy Winehouse, and Ed Sheeran. Now, we've learned all about a composer, but there are many other parts to putting an opera together. Costume is so important too. Every character has their own costume, and that helps us to understand who they are and what role they play in the opera. Let's meet a member of our costume team. Sue is a milliner, which means she makes hats. And this week, because we're so proud of our amazing NHS in Wales, Sue has been working on something for them.
Hi, my name is Sue and I work for the Welsh National Opera. I'm a milliner and I make hats for the productions. I can make up to 50 or 60 hats per show. At the moment I've been making scrub bags for the NHS. It's what they put their clothes into so they can go straight into the washing machine after work. I've also made one out of a t-shirt here. And if you're interested, you can find the details how to make one of those on our website.
So, because today is all about Wales, we are going to learn a really famous Welsh song called Sosban Fach. Sosban Fach means little saucepan, and it's all about the troubles of an exhausted housewife. Let's meet a member of our chorus to teach us the song.
Hello pawb, hello everyone. My name's Angharad and I'm a soprano in the Welsh National Opera Chorus. I'd like to sing a Welsh folk song with you all. It's called Sosban Fach. It's a funny song about a little saucepan, Sosban Fach, burning on top of the cooker, and a big saucepan, Sosban Fawr, that's burning on the floor, and a naughty little cat, Cath, that scrams little Johnny, Johnny Bach. Will you sing it with me? It's really fun, and it goes like this. Sosban Fach, y berwi ar y tân, Sosban Fawr, y berwi ar y llawr, ar gath wedi sgramo Johnny Bach. My friend, Alan, who's also in the chorus, would like to sing it with us. Let's all sing it together. Sosban Fach, y berwi ar y tân, Sosban Fawr, y berwi ar y llawr, ar gath wedi sgramo Johnny Bach. Sosban Fach, y berwi ar y tân, Sosban Fawr, y berwi ar y llawr, ar gath wedi sgramo Johnny Bach. Oi, oi!
Angharad and Alan are from WNO Chorus. In our chorus we have over 30 singers. An opera chorus is when you have a group of singers singing together, and sometimes they sing different melodic lines. When they do sing together, it sounds so super powerful. And now, it's the moment we've all been waiting for. We are going to hear the whole of WNO Chorus singing together. They are going to sing Gwahoddiad, and I'd like to invite you to sit back, relax, and enjoy this beautiful melody.
Come
to send in photos of things that make you feel or think of home, wherever that might be. We know that we've got viewers in Australia and America, so we're really looking forward to seeing your photos too. We hope you enjoyed the show. Thank you for watching, and thank you to all of our musicians. But from us at Play Opera, bye!